Are you tired of the same old Thanksgiving leftovers and looking to create something new? Well, we've got you covered. These fried mac and cheese balls will be the next best thing on your dinner table, and lots of people will be impressed. This recipe is a part of the International Cooking Collab group, so be sure to check out the other content creators in the description box down below. Let's get started. So some of the key ingredients are leftover macaroni, plain breadcrumbs, and of course, your eggs. This is a very simple recipe and it's not many ingredients that you need. So first we're going to go ahead and you can use an ice cream scoop if you want, or you can just take a little 2 tablespoon scoop. That's what I have. We're just going to scoop it, the leftover mac, form it into a ball and place it on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now, if you want, you can add little extra pieces of cheese or just other things to it, but we're just going to use what we have with our leftover macaroni. Okay, and after you get your balls, you're going to go ahead and place them in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes to help them keep firm and nice and cool. Okay, so while those are in the freezer, we're going to go ahead and take our eggs and a little bit of water, and we're going to beat our eggs, and we're going to take our breadcrumbs in a separate bowl. And this is pretty versatile. You can put whatever seasoning that you would like to put in yours. We're just going to put a little bit of black pepper, some parsley, salt, onion powder, some garlic powder, and some paprika. And we're just going to give this a nice little whisk in. Okay, so now we're taking them out of the freezer, and we're just going to take it, just going to dredge it in the egg mixture, and then the breadcrumbs. And we're going to do that for each one. While you're doing this, your stove could already be preheating with the grease. So once your grease is preheated, you want to have it about medium heat. We're going to throw them in here. You want to fry these in small batches. You want to make sure that your grease is nice and hot. And you're just going to go ahead and fry these for about 2 minutes and just turn it about halfway through. We're just going to flip this over and fry it on the other side. Okay, and once these done frying, you're going to go ahead and take them out. And you're going to put them on a cooling rack and let the grease drippings drip off of there. All right, and here it is. We got our fried mac and cheese balls. And we got some cheese sauce in the center for you to dip it in. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and cut this open and see what it looks like. And voila, there you go, mac and cheese balls. Also, we want to share some scripture with you all. Proverbs chapter 18, verse 10, it says, "The name of Yahweh is a strong tower. The righteous run to it and are protected." And we just want to remind you today that God is your protector. He's here for you. Anything that you're going through, He wants to help you. Just run to the Father, and His arms are open wide. And have a blessed week. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and press that like button. If you enjoyed this recipe, comment down below. Are you going to try this for one of your Thanksgiving leftover recipes? Don't forget to ring that notification bell and check out our latest video uploads.